So head outside and have some fun with the whole families. This game over here is called Rollors. Now we sent some of our crew outside to play the game too. It's best played on the lawn, so make sure that you're playing it on grass because that's where your discs will really fly. So those posts are opposite of each other. You're gonna roll those discs toward the post. They have numbers on them, so whichever way the disc ends, whichever way it lands, that's how many points you're gonna get. But there's a catch. At the end, you're gonna have to measure. If it's close enough to the post, then that's when you get points. Okay, so
whoever's the closest gets the points.
Gets the points, yeah. And of course, all the instructions are on there. But what I really liked about this game, it's a lot of fun. Head outside with the family, but it was created by a veteran. So that's really great too. Giving back to those who serve is always a great thing. And they have a lot of discounts coming up for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So make sure you check these websites for all these discounts. And all of these websites are going to be on our website, news4sa.com. Just head over to that. We'll have this whole segment up there with all the information about all these products.
That's a good idea because my family, we always eat and then we sit around and wait for dessert.
Get out,
happening this year, everybody. We're going to play. This is a really good game. I love it. All right. Thank you, Denise.
You're ready.
Great picks.